In the previous step, you completed the last round of the body. To close the opening, work under the front loops of the final round of stitches. Insert your needle under the first front loop from front to back. Pull the yarn tail through. Insert your needle under the next front loop the same way. Pull the yarn through. Continue going under each front loop in the same direction. When all front loops are threaded, pull the yarn tail to close the opening. Insert your needle under the yarn tail where it sits after closing the opening. Bring the needle out at another spot on the piece. Make one securing stitch, one stitch away, either above or below. Match the direction and length of the stitches. This way, the stitch will blend in with the texture and will stay invisible. Cut the yarn on the surface. Push the remaining tail inside the piece. You have completed the fasten off. See you at the next step.